Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add a script to your WordPress website. Search this plugin header and footer scripts. Header and footer scripts plugin allow you to add scripts to WordPress sites and just before closing tag. So install and activate. This is a very famous and useful feature plugin to add script. Once you install, click on activate. And now here guys, you have to click on settings and then click on header and footer scripts. You will see this box. The following script, if any, will be installed into the head section using WP-head hook. So if you want to add a script in header, so paste here, and this is the option to add script in footer. The following script, if any, will be installed before body tag using WP-footer hook. Then save settings. So this is the simple and basic way to add and insert a script in your WordPress website. Thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not.